Immerse in the vibrant hues and pulsating beats of the Dinagyang Festival. Held in the heart of Iloilo City, Philippines, this annual spectacle celebrates the rich cultural heritage of the region. Picture a sea of performers, their bodies painted in striking tribal patterns, dancing in unison to the rhythm of thunderous drums. This is not just a festival, it's a living, breathing testament to the Ilonggo spirit, their resilience and their unity. Marvel at the reenactment of the historic barter of Panay. Be swept away by the grandeur of the ATI tribe competition, where dance groups compete in a fierce yet friendly rivalry. Savor the local delicacies, from the sweetest mangoes to the freshest seafood, while exploring the city's architectural gems, from Spanish-era churches to modern skyscrapers. The Dinagyang Festival, a sensory feast that encapsulates the soul of Iloilo City. Come, experience this cultural extravaganza, where tradition meets modernity and every beat tells a story. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and follow. Produced and edited by Joseph Del Monte Vigno.